Geographic Information Systems rely heavily on georeferenced imagery. Positioning images accurately on the Earth's surface is critical, and the easiest way to do this is using a world file.
If you've seen files ending in .tfw, .jgw, or .wld, you've worked with a world file. These are simple text documents that help place raster images on a real-world coordinate system.
A raster file contains only pixel values. World files provide the spatial reference needed to place that raster onto a map correctly. Without georeferencing, an image is just a bunch of pixels. A world file solves this by defining its location, scale, and orientation relative to north. This is extremely helpful for everything from satellite imagery and historical maps to digital orthomosaics produced by drones.
The magic happens through an affine transformation, where 6 parameters define the mathematical relationship between the image's pixels and real-world coordinates.
World files are simple and highly compatible, though they don't store projection info directly and rely on the companion raster file staying with them.
Mastering world files is an essential skill for GIS professionals. For more information, visit gowgs84.com or contact our team today.